15 minutes Samskrtam to start with. Right? If you want any extra class, you have to tell me. I am not going to force anyone.
Sanskrit can be converted to this.
Which to what? Samskritam? But it is the place of chanting. That's only for half an hour.
But spoken is good because you have to think and you have to.
You can tell Swamiji. Right? Yes.
Now I was saying to think that it's also by the time we reach 12:30 we get quite tired and mind drifts away. So if you could use the last 5 minutes for catching the revision of what happened in that class, that kind would be very useful. Because what I have seen is that most of the students by 12:30, particularly those who need to go to SQ or prayer, to wash up their hand and go to the toilet and then go back for serving duty, they get sort of distracted by the time we reach 12:30. And at that time, if you start core topic like a new sandhi or something, then they lose that. So I believe it will be very useful if the last 5 minutes of the day can be quickly recapping what we did in the class, so that we organize our thought and then go.
Okay. Om Vakrtunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samapprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastutyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam Paramartha Swarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Viva Sampriktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyataram Varachim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You can chant. You know the Alpaksharam? Yeah? What is Sutram you know? Every day we are chanting, so you can tell that immediately. Yes, Alpaksharam Asandiktam. You know the meaning also, right?
We want to say I would. That's also Sutram, right?
Yeah, but you can, if you tell the definition of Sutram, somebody knows it. Yes, you know the Sutram. You know what Bhashyam also know? What is Bhashyam? Yeah? What is this shloka? Sutrartho varnyate yatra padai sutranukaribihi swapadani cha varnyante bhashyam bhashya vido viduhu. Same like sutram sutra vido viduhu, bhashyam bhashya vido viduhu. That is Vyakhyana. Bhashya is, it's only for sutra. The meaning of the sutra, he gives by the words, and he explains the words what he uses also. That is called Bhashya. Swapadani cha varnyante. So you keep chanting, a definition you can need to remember. It's good to remember. We know all this definition, remember now, Sutra? You memorize because every day you have been chanting, right? I hope you must be knowing. Okay. So all the definitions, if you know, it's good. Similarly, Vyakyanam Panchalakshanam. You know now what this Vyakyanam is. What is Vyakyanam? Padachedaha. Sandhi is what must be learning, right? Padachedaha, Padarthoktihi, then Vigraha. Vigraha, you know. Vigraha Vakya. Vigraha is, in English they say the string. That is, suppose example, for example, Rameshwara, when you say, Ramasya Ishvara. Sandhi. I mean, it's a samasa, it's a compound. For compound, you can give. Itta also. When you say pit, what is pit? Pakaraha, yit, yasya, saha. It is samasa, bahuvrihi samasa. It looks, pit is small, two-lettered word, it is a compound. Pakara is it in which, that is called pit. What is pit? When you say tip, tip is a pit. So, pit is the qualifier for tip. Tip is that in which pakara is it. Therefore, we can call it as a pit. Pakaraha is it in which. In what? In tip. Therefore, tip is pit. Samasa. Pakaraha it yasya saha. Bahuvrihi samasa. Compound. This is called Vigraha Vakya. Pakaraha it yasya saha. Expanding that. Expanding what it is. That's called Vigraha. Then Vakya Yojana. Then Akshepasya Samadhanam. Akshepa, objection, Your Honor. And you answer, reply for it. This is called Vyakyanam Panchalakshanam. So, definitions that Swamiji is beautifully presents everything very slowly, clearly, so you can remember. For me, it's all revisions. Good. I sit and enjoy. Anyway, so keep chanting that. So, you will remember Sutram. Sutram meaning you can't afford to forget. I have explained the Sutram, meaning of the Sutra in detail. Right? Okay, let us chant. Alpaksharam asandigdham saravat vishvatomukam assobham anavadyam cha sutram sutravido viduhu. If you memorize this after some years, even if you are not touched with this Samskrtam, you will remember this. When you say Sutram, because you have been chanting it a shloka, automatically you remember that. You feel good when you remember something, okay? Remember. Keep chanting. In fact, whatever you have studied so far, Tattvapada you are supposed to memorize. You are supposed to memorize Tattvapada. It's a book of definitions. All the Vedantic terms are used. Sadhana Chatushtaya, Kim, you must know, right? Sukshma Shariram, Kim, you must know. Avastha, Traya Sakshi, so Atmakaha. So all those things, Tattvapada you need to memorize. And by this time I hope you would be knowing Kaivalya Upanishad, the whole Kaivalya Upanishad by heart. And now Mundaka Upanishad somebody is starting. When I was studying here, Mundaka Upanishad, I could chant in the reverse order. From the last mantra onwards, going to the reverse order. It's a very good exercise. See, generally what we do, even when you chant, what shloka you know? Do you know the Samskrtam Ganesha Stotram?
Yes.
Now you try to chant in the reverse order. It's difficult. You can chant the last shloka, then you have to go back. For that again you have to come from the first shloka. It's a very good exercise. You will remember, you will never forget. So like that Mundaka Upanishad, I was trying to memorize. I memorized in fact. Now it's slowly going away, that's a different thing. Because I am not practicing it, so it will go away. Even the alphabet, Z, Y, F, W, U, you can do it in the reverse order. It's a practice. You can develop a very good memory by doing that. Abhyasa, try. So, what I am saying is, whatever text you are studying, you are supposed to memorize.
Sharanji, can you say some tips, because this is very good, we want to memorize, but can you say, I mean, during the day we have to write this, we have to go to the temple, we have serving and this, like how, can you say some supportive,
you need to spend some time for chanting. Shabda chanting is important. Don't we cannot leave out that. Shabda chanting, that is important. And whatever Upanishad, Tattvapada, every day you don't try to chant everything in one day. Then you will do it first day, tomorrow you will not do it. Take Tattvapada five sentences, because it's in prose. It's a Gadya, right? Gadya is prose. So 5 sentences you do it today. Tomorrow 5 sentences, but keep doing it. So one cycle you complete, again you come back. You keep on doing it, but don't miss it. After some days you will see it will be able to memorize that. Otherwise take 5 sentences, keep on doing that till you get memorized. Then go to the next one. So every day you spend some time, everybody will be having some altar in the room, some picture will be there, something will be there. Sit and do it as a ritual every day. All the shabdas, Shabdas, and all the Shabdas means Shabdas, whichever you don't know, you want to memorize, keep chanting it in front of the altar. It's also a puja. And Tattvabodha, take 5 sentences only. First you finish that and then go to the next 5. And when you go to the next 5, you try to recall the first 5 also. Similarly, Kaivalya Upanishad also. You got a lot of time. When you walk, when you go around, have that in a small note or something. Just see it and keep chanting it, memorizing it. This 2 years is a very big luxury time. If you miss it, then you won't be getting it. The 2 years you have to make appointment with yourself. Don't make appointment with others now. So many things will have occupied your mind. This is not the time for it. Otherwise you will be totally swallowed by those things. No. You may be 40, 45, I'm saying just an average, okay. So far, you have given enough time for other things to swallow you up. But now, this 2 years is self-appointment. Appointment with yourself. 2 years maybe you may think it's a long time. Make it short now. Next 1 week for me. After the 1 week over, the next 1 week for me. Next 1 week. In fact, Swamiji says 1 day at a time. Today is appointment for me. I will not give space for anyone or anything to occupy my mind. No. Sparshan, Bhagyan Sparshan, Dhagit Krutva. Swamiji tells in the meditation. Keep it away. No. Otherwise, it will occupy your mind, it will gnaw your mind. And you will be out of the rhythm of the course. A lot of unconscious will come. You need to handle it. Unless you allow, it's a good thing. Let it come. But how you handle it is a problem. It can swallow you also. Everybody has unconscious. Nobody is an exception. If somebody says, I don't have unconscious, then it's a lie. Then the person has a problem. Serious problem. More than any other person, that person has a problem. I'm not saying. Puji Swamiji says, I was listening to Puji Swamiji's talk. Vedanta way of life, something. He says that. Everybody, even if you are 60, 65, 70, you have got this problem, unconscious, it will come. And since this is a luxury time, it pops up. Otherwise it won't drop. Right? Somebody says that grief time is a luxury time. My sister was telling a few days before, she was cooking and she was crying. She doesn't know why she is crying. I told her, it's good you cry. Because now you got space, that right time has come and you got some space is there, that is why you are crying. Let it come. You cry and cook, doesn't matter. You keep cooking. Don't leave that. The luxury time. Everybody has got issues. Nobody is an exception. Even Swamis also, okay. They will handle it in their own way. That way puja and all, everything is important, plays a role. Everything is Brahman, Advaita, why shall you go to temple? Don't go to the temple, sit in, Swamiji says, this is also Swamiji. You just sit outside the temple, people will come and take coconut on your head. This is what Swamiji said in our class. When somebody asks, everything is Ishvara, why shall you go to the temple? Swamiji got very furious. The whole satsang, he just banged the person. And the person did not write his name in the question. He just wrote anonymous. That is enough for Swamiji. He said, if name is there, at least I would have addressed that person, particular person. Maybe that person needs some answer, I would have addressed him. No name is there. Then he said, sky is the limit. Just told him. Fired left and right. Whole satsang. And at the end of satsang, he was getting down. Again he fired. So the person, I don't know who is that person, not me, okay? The person will be shivering like this. I don't know who is that person. So 2 years is the best time. You have to use it. So you need to manage yourself. Things will come. If you are not feeling well, just shut your room, be inside. Let it, everything goes away, it will go away. Prayer. This is advice in general. Okay. Yes? Arinaji.
Thank you.
Yes, we'll continue. I had a lot of problems, okay. Ayun, Riluk, Eong, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lan, Nyamanganadam, Jabhai, Khadadash, Jabagadadash, Khapa Chatatha Chatatau, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal, Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. So everything is recorded. Chalega, why problem nahi? Let it go. What to do? Ichu yashanam talu. Rutu rashanam murdha. Rutulasanam dantaha. Upu padmaniyanam oshtau. Nyamangananam nasika cha. Edaito go kantatalu. Odauto go kantaustam. Vakarasya dantaushtam. Jikhva muliyasya jikhva mulyam. Nasikanuswarasya. Shabda we need to do. Okay. Ramo Rajamanis sada vijayate. Ramam Ramesham bhaje. Ramena digata nishachara jamuhum. Ramaya tasmai namaha. Ramanyasti parayanam parataram. Ramasya dasosmyaham. Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me. Ghora mama muddhara. Try to memorize as many shlokas as possible. It will create good samskaras. It will create really good samskaras. So this period is the right time to memorize. If you can memorize Gita, whole Gita good, but difficult. At least some chapters. Sita Prajna Lakshana. Second chapter, at least whole second chapter can be memorized. 15th chapter you know it. I hope you know it. 15th chapter. These chapters can be memorized. And 13th chapter, that important shloka, Amanitam Madamvitam, that can be memorized. Right? So some of these, and 12th chapter is very simple chapter, is very good chapter. I mean, every chapter is good chapter. 12th chapter, 20 shlokas only, that can be memorized. You have your own plan, you manage your time. Right? So all these, please memorize some shloka, some subhashitam, everything. It will create good samskaras. Okay, we will go on. There is no time to chant. Now, quickly we will do Sandhi. Okay, let me quickly summarize Sandhi. You know this, but still, since we have the problem of remembering, memory issue is there, so I keep repeating it, you please listen to that. It's not a punarukti dosha. Repetition is not a defect, but what to do? It's not a defect, therefore no problem. In Vedanta also it is not a dosha. And Vyakaranam it is not a dosha because we have a problem, therefore we keep repeating it, doesn't matter. Akasavane dirgha, this is a sutra actually, okay. When ak is followed by savarna, both will be replaced by dirgha. Purva parayogo I will use. Purva is what? Purva is preceding ak. Para is Purva parayogo stane, in the place of Purva and Para. Purva parayoga is what? Saptami vibhakti. What vachanam? Rame, Ramayogo, Rameshu, Purva parayogo, Dvivachanam. Saptami vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Stane, that is also Saptami vibhakti. In the place of Purva and Para. Understand? Purva Para is a Pratipadika. Purva parayogo, Shashti vibhakti also is there, Saptami also is there. But here what? When I say Purva parayogo stane, that is Saptami vibhakti. In the place of Purva and Para, Savarna, Dirgha will be the Adesha. And it followed by Asavarna Aj, it will be replaced by Yan. And when you go step by step like this, don't stop there. You have to find the exceptions. You can mark it if some sutra and some rule is exception. You can mark it as an exception to this, so that you can have the connection, right? When a or a is there, okay, it is both are there. Now here one point, see here. This is a as well as a. Even if I say a plus ik, you must understand. A plus ik is when a is followed by ik, both will be replaced by guna letter. This a stands for Dirgha also. In fact, all the 18 letters the A stands for. Suppose if I say At, then only A. So, At, the Takara is not there here. So, if I say A, understand it includes A also. Not only A, all the forms. That is how Panini Maharishi presents the sutra. If he wants to restrict only that to particular letter, he will say At or A. At means what? Only A. Very good. So, no, but here in the beginning what I did like this. So, if I make it A, will you understand? Okay. Slowly we will progress. Okay. Okay. I tell you, A. Gunaha. This is a sutra. This is the sutra. What does it mean? What do you understand by At here? I'm going to confuse you. Okay, be ready for it. At means what? Only A. But this is a sutra, right? For this third rule, this is a sutra. But At is there. Only A if you say, then how can I add A here? Not possible, right? So, but therefore, here, the sutra you will study, this At is, in the sutra pata you will find, Pratama Vibhakti you will find, Pratama Vibhakti you will find, the words will be in Pratama Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti and Saptami Vibhakti. These are the 4 Vibhaktis used in the sutra. Tritiya Vibhakti also. Tritiya Vibhakti, only these Vibhakti. No other Vibhakti. Pratama Vibhakti, Pratama Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Panchami and Saptami. These are the 5 Vibhaktis. Now, additional information, just something you hear, it will be useful later. Sthani, what is Sthani? What is Sthani? What is Sthani? That which is replaced is called Sthani. Sthani will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Uniformly. All over the sutra, Sthani will be in Shashti Vibhakti. Just listen, it's okay, you don't need that right. Adesha will be in Pratama Vibhakti. So, Gunaha, when is that? Gunaha is what do you understand by this sutra? This third rule. Guna is what? Sthani or Adesha? So, Gunaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Right? Gunaha is 1-1. Now, this At is, this Sthani is there. Sthani will be in what Vibhakti? Shashti Vibhakti. That Sthani will be indicated by, in the sutra, indicated by that which is in Panchami or Saptami. The sutra you will find like this. This is all the arrangement of sutras. Beautifully done. Sthani will be in Shashti Bhakti. Right? And the Sthani will be indicated by another Padam, which may be in Panchami or maybe in Saptami. If it is in Panchami, then Sthani follows the Panchami. If it is Saptami, Sthani precedes the Saptami. Right? So 5, 6, 7, this is how it is. The 6, that is Shakti Bhakti, indicated by the Panchami Bhakti, that is Sthani follows that. If it is Saptami, precedes that. Here, the At is Panchami Bhakti. At is, if At is Panchami, even if you don't understand what I said so far, doesn't matter, because I have to give an elaborate introduction to it. I want you to see this. What At I am saying, it is Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You tell me the Pratipadika. That is what I want you to tell. Okay. At is Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You tell me the Pratipadika. That's all. What is? A is the Pratipadika. A is the A stands for both A and A. That is what Panini Maharishi says. Clear? So, At is there. Don't think only A. At is Panchami Vibhakti. That stands for the Pratipadikam A. That A stands for A as well as A. Understand? How At is Panchami? Rama is Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramane, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramehi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah, Ramat, At, last. That is At Panchami. Why I am confusing this? Because the Takara I told. So that is why in this context, this At is Panchami. Don't think A is only the letter A. No. Because Sutra we know. Rule we know. A or A followed by each letter, both will be replaced by Guna. But in this Sutra, Panani Maharishi says At. That At is Panchami Vibhakti. That stands for the Pratipadika A. Therefore, A includes all the Savarna letters. Okay. Only that much. Understand? If you understand, it's okay. Doesn't matter. We are going to study Sutra in detail. Okay. So I am not writing here A. Let it be like this for some time. Later I will make it only A. Right? So, next one. If A or A followed by H, both will be replaced by Vriddhi. So, here you have to see this Sutra number 3 and 4. Sutra number 3 and 4, both the first letter is A. If it is followed by Ik, Guna. If it is followed by H, Vriddhi. Remember that. Guna Vriddhi, when does it happen? When followed by Ik, A you need to remember. When A followed by Ik, Guna. When A followed by H, Vriddhi. When H is followed by H, Ayali Santi. 5 and 7 you remember together. If it is a Padanta Yang, and Yang is a subset of H. Yes or no? Yang is covered by H. If it is a Padanta Yang, specific condition is that if it is a Padanta Yang, followed by short A only, that too only A. So what will happen? Here Rasvaha is there, right? So can I write like this? At? Yes. I will not write like this now. It will be Rasvaha. But you understand, right? Then both will be replaced by Yang letter. That is a Pura Rupa. Padanta Sakara, becomes Repa. And Repa becomes Visarga. Fine. Now, this much is enough. Now we will go to the rules. With the examples now. Vimane plus Atishtat. Take your chip. Vimane plus Atishtat. What Sandhi is that? Okay. Tell me, what Sandhi is that? I have written very clearly on the board to be able to spot this now. Huh? Ayavaya Sandhi is there. Exception is not there. Yes. Yes, Vimane Tishtat. It is exception, rule number 7 in the chart. Vimane, what? It's a padam or not? You know it. It is Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani. Vimanam with the word we have used, you have seen. So the Saptami also is there, it is Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Palam Pale, Vimanam, Vimane, and also Saptami also. Therefore, it's a padam, right? So Padanta Yang, just now we said Padanta Yang followed by Rasvaha will become Vimane. Vimane Tishtat. This is the answer, right? Clear? Nari Uktavati. Chitraji. Nari Uktavati. What Sandhi is that?
E plus O. So it will be yeah.
Okay. What Sandhi is that?
That is
Yansanti. Nari yuktavati. Clear? Nari plus uktavati. Next one. Bhavantaha plus sarve. Surendraji. Bhavantaha plus sarve. First see the word Bhavantaha sarve is what could happen? What do you understand from this?
Visarga will become Repa.
Visarga will become Repa. Okay, tell me the answer.
Bhavantas sarve.
It is Bhavanta. Visarga will not become Repa. Visarga will become Sakara. Why? What is the first thing you observe in this? Bhavantaha sarve. Your focus should not go all over. What's the first thing you spot? You have to do Visarga. Followed by what? Followed by, when you see Sa, you have to know it's a cur letter. First you should recognize that as a cur letter. If it is a cur letter, then you don't have to bother what precedes. Right? I told that before. Many times I told, if it is a cur letter, don't bother about what precedes. So, cur letter is there, and the cur letter exception also we have seen. Sakara is there. So here there is no exception. Bhavantas sarve. Next one. Patanaya Agamanam. Vincent. Huh?
Patanaya.
What Sandhi? Very good. Patanaya Gamanam, right? Patanaya Gamanam. So here you can write like this also. Patanaya Gamanam. This stands for, each Avagraha stands for one A. That A is therefore written like this. Or you can write like this also.
How do you pronounce?
Patanaya Gamanam.
When we have both?
Yeah. When you write like that, Patanaya Gamanam. But when you split, you have to split Patanaya Agamanam. Atra plus Evam, Rodrigo. Atra plus Evam. Next one.
The last one.
Yeah? What Sandhi is that?
Briti, and this is Prataivam.
Huh?
Atraivam.
Atraivam. It's a Briti Sandhi. Immediately can spot. Ta followed by H letter. Atraivam. Mitraha plus Amitraha. Mariana ji. A plus Kutra asti dirgha. Kutra asti dirgha.
I'm sorry, I'm just
Huh?
not the contact lens.
Oh.
It is replaced by you.
You? Who? So?
So it's me,
Mitru?
Mitro.
Mitro. Then?
Mitraha.
Mitro Mitraha, right?
Yes.
Mitro Mitraha. Next one. Labhaha plus Alabhaha. Avantika. You have to say. Labhaha plus Alabhaha. Tell me, yeah? What is that?
I don't know how it goes.
You tell me. The answer you tell me.
Labha.
Labhaha.
No, the visarga will come out.
Visarga will remove it. Okay, then?
First,
Labhaha.
yeah.
Huh?
Not sure. I don't know. Then second O will go.
What is that difference between the previous one, this one? Any difference is there? I don't know where we are looking at. Looking at the whole word, labha, lakara, aba, not required. Visarga is there. What follows, what precedes, only 2 letters you need to watch. Don't watch for all the other unnecessary things. Those letters are not required. Previous one you see, mitraha, mitraha. Visarga is there. How do we become mitro? Fine. Here also same thing is there or not? So what will happen here? Lavo, lava, same thing, right? What is the big thing here? Previous example, there is no difference. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a. Same thing here also. That is why I asked you this question. I thought you will answer this. Labo, labaha. Nashto, nashtaha. Next one. Arindraji. Ekaha vrikshaha. Very good. What Sandhi is that? A plus Visarga, it's not an equation, okay? I told you never say like that. Visarga preceded by A, followed by Hash. This orientation is still there.
Visarga is replaced by U.
Yes.
Then
Something happens.
something.
Then what Sandhi happens? Visarga replaced by U. Then A plus U will become? That's it. A plus U, when you say Om, O, that you can remember, Om. A plus U will become O, right? Okay, this is enough. So every day I am giving 5 words. Hope you will be able to do it. Pick up. Okay, that's why I gave homework. Did you try? Gai Dhatu? Surendraji, Gai is Parasmepari. Okay. I told you to check your Dhatu Kosha and do the homework. Don't take it as an Atmanepadi. The word itself I wrote yesterday, Gayati, I derived, okay? I don't see it, it's not complete, okay? So Gayati, Gayata, Gayanti. All of you tried?
Yes.
Gai plus, this is Sip. Anyway, I am not doing it here. This is a copy paste. I will do it later. What about Mlai? Mlai Dhatu, did you try? Mlai? Mlai becomes Mlayati, Mlayataha, Mlayanti. Then, okay. And another dhatu? Glai also? Glayati, Glayata. Any difficulty? And what about another dhatu? Dai. Yeah. Atmanepadi.
No, Parasmepari.
Atmanepadi.
Try is Atmanepadi.
Yes, thrice.
Try is Atmanepadi.
Yeah, try. Dai is Atmanepadi. Parasmepadi. Dayati, Dayataha, Dayati. Did you check the meaning also? When you do that, remember the meaning also. Okay. Then Trai is Atmanepadi. What is the form? Trayate. 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 Then Trayate. Trayate. Trayatve. Traye. Trayavahe. Trayama. Did you try? No. And Trayate, we saw in Gita. Trayate, Swalpamatyasya dharmasya, Trayate, Mahато, Bhayat. Often quoted, important, second chapter it comes. Swalpamatyasya dharmasya, Trayate, Mahато, Bhayat. From great fear it protects you, even the small observance of this dharma. So, next one I give you. So, it can take this as a homework also. You don't have to do it here. The same line with the Gai Dhatu. Pai Dhatu. It is a Parasmepadi Dhatu. You can check your Dhatu Kosha and derive the form. Pai, it is Shoshane. Pai, Shoshane. I am giving some important Dhatu. Then this Dhatu also you can do. You can check the meaning. Hwe. Hweng Dhatu. Hweng. Avantika, please tell, how do you pronounce this? Huh? Hweng. Tell me, it's a Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi? Without? Why? Yakara is there, therefore, Ubhayapadi. It's an interletter. Okay. So therefore the content is Hve only. Ahvayati. Ahvayati cause. Acharyaha Bhavan Bhavantam Ahvayati. Acharya calls you. Durabhashane. Kopi Ahvayati Mam. Somebody calls me. Ahvayati. Ahvayati calls, invites, the meaning. Right? Here, Sway is there. Hvayati, you can do it, take as homework. Ubepadi, both you can do. Atmanipadi and Parasmipadi. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, then, and this also you can do. Another important dhatu. Here also, Yakara is there, therefore Ubepadi. It is spinning, Vayati. Tantuvayaha, that's a word. Tantuvayaha means that which is the wands, silk cloth. Tantuvayaha. Tantu is that which is taken from the silk, the worm. Vayaha is that is spinned. So that is spinning. This comes from this only. Vain dhatu. Vain. So it's a Ubepadi. Okay. Then all this for your practice. Then another dhatu, important dhatu. Dhyai dhatu. How do you decline this? Dhyai. Dhyai. We are doing only Vaskana, okay? Dhyai dhatu. Parasmipadi only. It is Dhyayati. From this dhatu only you get Dhyanam and all. Dhyanam, Nididhyasanam, Dhyaya. From this only we get. By adding different pratyayas. We are going to study it later. But Dhyayati, Kriyapadam. Aham Dhyayami. I meditate. Yes.
It's only Parasmipadi or?
Parasmipadi. Check your dhatu kosha. Parasmipadi. Meaning you can write. Dhyata, the contemplator. Dhyata, Dhyanam, Dhyeya, the object of contemplation. Dhyeya. Dhyanam is meditation. Like Bhoga, Bhojya, Bhokta, the same way here also. Yes. Then we saw this dhatu, Kshi dhatu. The same way, Kshay also is there. Kshay also same meaning. Kshi is what? Decay. Same way, Kshay also same meaning. It is it's Parasmipadi dhatu. Kshay. You can take this also as homework. Okay. Then
We have to do all,
yes, practice as many dhatus as possible.
yeah, and all the Uttam Purush, Madhyam and
Again, tell me.
all the Vivek
Again, tell me. Tell me.
Uttam Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha,
Pratham.
Prathama Purusha.
Okay. Yeah, you have to do it. That's what declension is. Everything you have to do it. Okay. So this is all. What dhatu? H and the dhatu. Ending with what letter? H. H letter. I'm giving different dhatus, right? See, first I gave dhatu ending with short E or E, right? And U, dhatu ending with U or U. Then these dhatus ending with, I'm just giving H, H and the dhatu, H letter. Okay. Only these dhatus are there, don't worry. Whatever dhatus are there, only 1300 some dhatus are there in the first class. So if it is ending with E or E, it becomes A, guna happens. Not higher, guna happens, I'm talking about Angakarya. If it is U or U, it becomes O. If it is H, what will happen? Here, A, O, I, O. What will happen to these letters? Are they each letter? Are they each letter? Nothing happens. It remains as it is. When Shab comes, you do the Sandhi. Only when this, you add Shab, only is going to come. You are going to do Sandhi only. No Angakarya happens. That is what we have seen so far. Gai becomes Gayati. Clear? Understand? So, H and the Dhatu, only, no Guna, nothing. Remember, these are the Angakarya, okay? I am talking about the Angakarya. The Karya happens with respect to what Pratyaya? What? Tik Pratyaya? Shab comes. Thing is there, but immediately after the dhatu what comes? Shap comes. Because of shap only, the E or E will become A, U or U will become O. If it is ends with these letters, if it is Ejanda, nothing happens. Only Sandhi need to do. Ayadi Sandhi. Remember. Now the next one, next type of dhatu. Just progressing slowly, so you also have to come with me. Up to this clear? Yes. Now so far we have seen the dhatus ending with ik letter, right? So with this age, all the letters are covered. Yes or no? With this, all the ending letters are covered. Dhatu ending with vowels are covered. And among the dhatu ending with vowels, if only the ik letters are there, guna is going to happen. If it is other than ich, no guna. Only sandhi, ayadi sandhi, need to remember. Right? Now, what is the other akakarya? Penultimate. If the penultimate is short ik, so those dhatus we are going to see now. Akakarya happening to the penultimate, what ik letter? Remember, it is short ik. What is the technical name for penultimate? Upada. Remember, what is that? Upada. So we are going to see ik upada. That is upada, which is ik letter. What will happen to ik? Guna will happen. And that also short ik only. Okay, short ik guna is going to happen. Now let us see whether short ik or long ik, whatever may be. We will see the dhatu. Okay. Now the first dhatu is taking only the dhatu which are famous, but I don't find any. So ik upada is, what are the letters? If it is upada, could be e letter, right? Upada is if e letter, then guna happens. For this, I will give one dhatu. Let us take the okay, this is a dhatu, only is that we can, no, other dhatus are not important. Swid. Dhatu is swid. In the dhatu kosha you will find with the ik, okay, you will find a dhatu like this. This is the original dhatu. Nishvidam. It is, you will find like this.
Listen to this.
This is the dhatu. You find this dhatu in the dhatu kosha. This is the original dhatu. What is original dhatu? Dhatu with the ith letters.
Ah,
Got it? Please find in the dhatu kosha. Dhanraji. Find out this dhatu from your dhatu kosha. If you see dhatu kosha, then they will give the content of dhatu as swid. Swid means to sweat.
to be crisp.
Svetaka, sweater. Svetakaha, you get right? The word you get from swid dhatu. Sweater. Swid dhatu. Dhatu kosha. Please open your dhatu kosha, sir, and find out the dhatu.
55.
Did you get the dhatu?
Yeah.
Found out? Yes.
55.
What page number? You can tell others.
55.
55.
5?
55.
55. See, this is the original dhatu. Nishvida. What is dhatu? Nishvida. Ishvida, right? I'll tell you what it is. Got it? Found it, all of you? Yes? Okay, now listen. We are going to study ether letter and all detail in later. Okay? Just I'm giving you. And in Dhatu Kosha, it's very helpful in this. He is giving you, after removing the ether letter, what is the dhatu. The content of the dhatu is given. Right? That is swith. From this is the original dhatu. From this you get swith. So now you know the original, right? It's given the Dhatu Kosha. All of you found out that? Yes. No. First conjugation. 1. What are you saying there? 1 is there? Ishveda. It is there. 1, A, yes, to be greasy, to be anointed. Okay. Okay. This is also meaning the same thing. Okay. Yes. To be greasy, to be anointed. Swith. That's the meaning given also in the book. You can note this meaning also is swith. What is that meaning given? First gana. If it is first gana? No, it's Samskrtam. Snegana mochanayoho. This is the meaning. Perspire, sweat meaning is there. Okay. Snegana mochanayoho. That is meaning is given. The same meaning. Okay. First gana. This meaning is there. Perspire. Pasina ona is there. So pasina is what? Sweat. Okay.
But that
Now,
is fourth gana.
huh?
That is fourth gana.
That's what I'm saying. This is that meaning also is there for this dhatu.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you know the original dhatu, 1220. Okay. You know the original dhatu. From this original dhatu, you are getting this dhatu. Now, you can make out. What is this? Must be? It letter. Gone. And here, what is the last letter here? A is there. Therefore, that A also must be it letter. In fact, it is Anunasika letter. You may not find Anunasika symbol, but you have to understand it is Anunasika H. Nasalized vowel. Nasalized vowel.
It is there, no?
It is there. Even if it is not there, I am saying. It is given for your easiness. But otherwise, you will not find it. Dhatu Pada you will not find. Okay. Even if it is not there, we have to, if H is there, we have to understand it is Anunasika H. That also it only. So that also goes away. So what is left out it? Dakara and V. Shvit only is there. What is that? Shvit is there. But here what is there? Now you tell me what is the first letter here? Shvit. What is first letter? Shakara is the first letter, followed by with, right? Right? Now listen. In the Dhatu Pada, if Shakara is the first letter, Dhatus beginning with Shakara, replace it by Sakara. Rule is there. So therefore, you get, this will become Swit. That is the Dhatu. Now, we have found out the Dhatu somehow, right? So now Swit we need to decline. Now we will add Prathama Purusha, Ekavachana, Pratyaya. You understand this? So, you can remember this. In the Dhatu Pada, Dhatus beginning with the Shakara will be replaced by Dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara will be replaced by Sakara. So therefore, from the original Dhatu, we derive the Dhatu Svit. Okay? Similarly, one more point here, listen here. Similarly, if Murdanya Nakara is replace it by, already we have seen that. What Dhatu? Need Dhatu, Visa, need, right? Murdanya Nakara replaced by Dental nakara. Dhatu beginning with Murdhani nakara should be replaced by Dantya nakara. Similarly, dhatu beginning with Murdhani shakara, replace it by Dantya sakara. This you can remember, simple. So wherever it is there, after removing the ith letter, you do this, you get the dhatu. Now, now we have got this with dhatu. What is the last letter? Is it an ik letter?
No.
Penultimate letter?
Yes.
What is the penultimate letter?
Last one.
That's okay. What is the upada letter?
Upadana.
What is upada?
Only one but not last.
E is there or not?
Yes.
Vakara plus E is V. So upada letter is
Ikara.
E. Will you take guna or not now? Will you take angakar? Will you do angakarya? Yes. If it is a short ik, what will happen? Gunakarya possibility is there. Now let us do Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Swid is a dhatu. Is it Parsamipadi or Atmanipadi? Not both. It's Atmanipadi. Nyakara should be at the end of that dhatu. Then only it is Ubhayapadi. Not before. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is Atmanipadi, right? Yeah. It's okay. We are doing first gana only. Okay. So first gana it is Atmanipadi. What is the pratyaya? Te. Prathama Purushaha Ekavachanam. We are doing first gana. If it is fourth, what's the point now? It's not relevant. You have to see. You have to see clearly.
The first one should be greasy, not sweat.
I have already explained that. You can take the meaning of sweat also. Okay. Sweat the plus. Now what will happen? So you get shab. And swit is the anga with respect to shab. And swit plus shab plus te. Arinaji, what is te? What pratyaya is that? What pratyaya is that? Huh?
Sarvadhavi.
Very good. Sarvadhatika. What about shab? Shab, what about shab? Yes?
There's also Sarvadhavi.
I am asking him. Me? No. Harindranath.
Prakara is there, so
Pakara is there. Therefore?
Sarvadhavi.
Therefore Sarvadhatika. What is Sarvadhatika? What?
Shit Sat.
Sat is not there. He has gone back to his country now. Ting shit Sarvadhatika. Ting shit. Remember. Ting shit. Shakara is it. Therefore Sarvadhatika. Not because of Pakara. What is the use of Pakara? Pit. Therefore guna can happen. That is the usage of the ith letter Pakara. Remember this. Shakara, by Shakara only it gets a sanya. What sanya? What sanya? Because of Shakara. Sarvadhatika. Not Pit. Come on. Because of Shakara only it gets a Sarvadhatika sanya. And because of Pakara being a Pit letter, so now it can do Angakarya. Sarvadhatikam Pit. If the Pakara is not there, then what it is? Kit. Can you do Angakarya? Remember, this is what it is. The whole thing is like this only. We are going to derive all the dhatu based on this same condition. So, now, can you do Angakarya or not?
Yes.
Why? Penultimate is? What will happen to that E? E will happen, become Guna. A. You get Sved. Content of Shap is A. Sved plus A plus Te. What do you get? Sved. Te. Can you do the other forms? Please do it. Please do it. Understand this, all of you? Clear? This one dhatu is sufficient for the E upada dhatu, because other dhatus we don't use much. So many dhatus are there, not required. What is the meaning of the fourth gana dhatu? Shvita is given in the book.
The same.
Huh?
Gatra Prakshara.
Yeah, what is that?
Gatra.
Okay, that is not the meaning here. Something is given. One more Shvida is there. Okay.
Are we going to say ite or ate?
You have to tell me what. Good.
This first gana.
Yeah, one minute, don't answer.
Ana.
You tell me.
It is first gana.
Okay.
This is Chanda. Adanta anga varna.
You tell me. Is it Adantanga or not?
Adanta.
Why? Very good. Understand. Adantanga, when you say with respect to what? With respect to thing pratyaya. Yes. With respect to thing, it is always right. Shap is there. Just close your eyes. It is Adantanga. And first gana. Being first gana is Adantanga or not?
Yeah.
Yes,
Shap
Adantanga.
is always adanta.
Shap comes, A will be there. Right?
It's nothing to do with the dhatu. Dhatu.
No, nothing to do with the dhatu. Yes. Yes. It has to do with the gana. Done? All. Only forms you have written. Who write the steps? Okay. So I sweat. How do you say it? Aham? Aham? Sveda me?
Nee, Swede.
Aham svede. Vayam? Vayam? Sveda mahe. Bhavati? Bhavati? Bhavati?
Svedate.
Very good. Bhavati svedate. What? Purusha? Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha?
Uttama Purusha. Sorry, my Prathama Purusha.
Why? Bhavati is Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. Bhavati.
Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha.
Bhavati. What is meaning of Bhavati?
Sorry. Prathama Purusha. Sorry. Prathama Purusha.
Bhavati is Prathama Purusha?
Yeah.
Bhavati Prathama Purusha?
Madhyama.
Bhavati. What Purusha is that? What Purusha Bhavati is? Prathama Purusha. Bhavan.
You
Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha only. Because you is what? Madhyama, not Madhyama. But Svedate you are saying. I explained that also before. Remember? Bhavati is with respect. Whenever you are addressing somebody as Bhavan, Bhavati, you have to use Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam only. Okay? When you are addressing somebody, Bhavan, Acharya, right? Addressing somebody senior person, respectable person. Bhavan if it is masculine, Bhavati if it is feminine. It is Madhyama only. Because you, right? I, Uttama. You, Madhyama. Yeah, I am doing a melodrama, right? It's okay. Somebody wanted it.
You almost confused me.
Not, what is confusion? Bhavan, Bhavati, Madhyama Purusha only. And let me complete this. Since it is with respect, therefore, you have to use Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam. Tvam, suppose I am addressing, don't mistake me. Tvam, what do I say? Svedase. Tvam, Chitraji. Tvam, Svedase. Whether it is Surendra or you, Tvam only. Tvam, Svedase. Svedase is what Purusha? Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. But I addressed you as Bhavati. Bhavati with respect. Therefore, Svedate. Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam you have to use. We cannot address, say, Acharya is there. We cannot say Tvam. We will say Bhavan. Bhavan when you say, you have to use Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Bhavan Patayati. Not Patayasi. You teach. Bhavan Patayati. Bhavan Vadati. Right? We always use Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Clear? Right? Okay. So now we want to recap to Annaji. Whatever we have seen. No, you asked me at the beginning of the class. Recap. Recap? Okay, quickly. 2 minutes recap. Whatever we have seen so far. Santi must be some. Every class we are doing some exercise on Sandhi. So I hope after some class you will never forget Sandhi, hopefully. That is number one. And we are doing the derivation of the dhatus belonging to the first gana. First gana we have seen ik anta dhatu. Ik anta dhatu we have seen, and ech anta dhatu also we have seen. Lot of examples we have seen ech anta dhatu. Dhatu ending with age letter. A, O, I, OW. But OW, I and all, I only we have seen. A and I only we have seen. Because O and OW not there. Don't worry. Dhatu is not there, what can we do? A and I we have seen. And ik anta dhatu we have seen. If it is a ik anta, E, U, E or E will take guna. Because of what? Because of what pratyaya? Shab. Immediately shab. Because shab follows the dhatu immediately. And shab is followed by tip pratyayas. Tivari, tik pratyayas. So E or E will become guna, A letter. O, U or U will become O. And what will happen to H? Can it take guna? No, because it is not ik. It will remain as it is. So that plus shab, what will happen? Sandhi. Ayadi sandhi you have to do. Right? And now age at the dhatu. Age at the dhatu is over, sorry. Now, coming to the penultimate. What is the technical word for penultimate? Remember, when does upada take guna? When it is a short ik. Ik is E, U, R, L. So now we are seeing the example for E. One dhatu I have given. So many dhatus are there. Those dhatus are not important. 2000 dhatus you cannot remember. Remember some important dhatus. That is enough. With that you can manage the language very well. I have given only one dhatu, smith. I don't want to give this smith also. Now you are saying something, I hear something. But that is only dhatu, the best dhatu I could find. Other dhatus are not important. Right? Smith. Done. So tomorrow we will see U Upada. U Upada dhatu. Like that we will see some examples for all the dhatus in the first gana. With that first gana will be over. And first gana is Adantanga or Anadantanga?
Adanta.
When you say Adantanga, with respect to ting pratyayas, not with respect to dhatu. Clear? Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Nasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Dhanyavada. Please remember all this in the night meditation. What did you learn in Samskrtam class?